পশ্চিমবঙ্গ বিধানসভার অধিবেশনে দেখলেন অস্ট্রেলিয়ার সংসদীয় প্রতিনিধিরা। আজ সভায় তাদের স্বাগত জানান মুখ্যমন্ত্রী। স্পিকার বিরোধীদের অনেক প্রশ্ন করার সুযোগ দেন। পশ্চিমবঙ্গ বিধানসভার অধিবেশনে দেখার পর বললেন অস্ট্রেলিয়ার সংসদীয় প্রতিনিধিরা। সেই সঙ্গে রাজ্যের মেয়েদের নিয়ে মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর কাজের ভূয়সী প্রশংসা করলেন তারা।
You were here for last 1 hour, I believe. You met Madam CM, Speaker Sir, and opposition team also. So how it was? I mean, please share your experience.
I was very honoured to meet the Chief Minister and to be able to observe the Legislative Assembly at work. And I find it fascinating to see the political movements, ramifications, different discussions happening here in West Bengal. It's fascinating. And to see all members of the House airing their opinions and views. And I have to say the Chief Minister has done a marvellous job on promoting the interests of women in this state. And I met some of the women MPs and was very interested to hear their views as well about the position of women in the state and the promotion of women's interests in the state.
So today, while during this session, you have heard about the Chief Minister's reply regarding the health sector of the state. She has given an elaborate description how in the last 11 years the health infrastructure has improved. So what's your take in this regard? Because you are from Australia, you have heard that what she has said.
We also have a universal healthcare system, similar idea, where healthcare is available to everyone. And I think it's highly commendable that such a system is also introduced here in West Bengal and is available to all the citizens of West Bengal.
Ma'am, what do you feel that how the democratic values are being, observing here inside the session of Assembly?
I understand that the Speaker has specifically decided to try to allow more airtime to the opposition members and make sure their views are equally aired and shared in the House, which is very democratic.
And what is your experience? For the first time you are meeting Madam Chief Minister and she has invited you for their business program.
Yes, Australia was very pleased to be a partner country at the most recent BGBS and we're looking forward to the next one and being a partner country again.
Thank you.